So you might be in a random situation where for some reason your WhatsApp chats and your transfers are not finishing up. Maybe you're able to move most of them, but maybe all your chats are moving or you're getting some error that pops up in the middle of it. The very first thing that I would recommend thinking about is if you're using a wired connection or a wireless connection of transferring your chats from one device to the other, the very first thing to keep in mind is that you want to keep these powered on and next to each other for the duration of this. So make sure you are basically powered up on both, charged up on both. If one restarts or one resets or anything like that, that's going to cause some issues here. So you might just want to make sure that that's not the problem going on for your particular device too. Now, if you do that and that doesn't seem to be causing any issues, the next thing I'd recommend doing is on all the devices that you're currently going to go through and basically transfer the chats to, make sure your WhatsApp version is up to date on both of them. So you can do this by going inside of your app store just like this, searching up the WhatsApp application, and just making sure that your WhatsApp app is basically updated on both. So right here I have the WhatsApp application. All I want to do is go and click on update, and that is basically going to update this version of the device and the software on all of them. So make sure that's the case. Now, if you do that and that's still not working, the next thing you may want to try doing is try seeing if for some reason WhatsApp is actually down. And you can do this by going over to a website like downdetector.com, isitdownrightnow.com, one of those types of websites that basically shows you all the services that are up and down. And if WhatsApp is down, it'll be probably one of the first applications up here. And all you're going to have to do then is basically just wait it out until WhatsApp fixes the problem completely. So those are kind of the main ways to go and fix the problem for the most part. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.